We have never fished here before. We have never fished here before. We must come back tomorrow morning and catch all these fish. See, the fisherman left. When the eldest of the fishes, heard this, he was troubled, and he called other fishes together and said, "Did you hear what the fisherman said? We must leave this pond at once. The fisherman will come back tomorrow and kill us all." The second fish agreed. The second fish agreed.
Hindi pang pagising yan, no?
But the youngest of the
Ang
fishes,
pagising yan, ma'am, maanghang.
the youngest of the
Malamig.
fishes laughed. We must, you're wrong. We must, you're